Hello friends, welcome and very warm regards to all fellow participants in this FDP, which is jointly organized by St. Vincent College and HRDC SPPU Pune. Here I must congratulate course coordinator and librarian Mr. Mate sir for organizing such a wonderful and innovative 2-week FDP program only for the librarians first time in the online mode. Surely, this is a big achievement. The theme of FDP is creation, preservation and dissemination of e-content is a very innovative and needy in such a pandemic situation of COVID-19. My topic of presentation is how to create digital library or e-content repository in a simple way so that each and every librarian can create his or her digital library of e-content. Outcome. Let's see what all we are going to learn. Definition of digital library, then what are the different apps, applets, then about awesome table, introduction about our e-content repository project, its advantage, then what are the prerequisites for this project, then steps to create e-content repository, then the actual demonstration of how to create e-content repository, then what are the limitations of this project, and lastly conclusion. Definition of digital library. There are different definitions given by different organizations, but a simple definition according to Wikipedia, a digital library is a digital repository or digital collection, is an online database of digital object that can be include text, still images, audio, video, digital documents or other digital media formats. These objects can consist of digitized content like print or photographs, as well as originally produced digital content like word processor files or social media posts. In addition to storing content, digital library provides means for organizing, searching and retrieving the content in the collection. Now we'll see an applets or apps. An applet is a small application that performs one specific task that runs within the scope of dedicated widget engine or a larger program. Applets are not fully featured application program and are intended to easily accessible. All of you knows Google Apps are a suite of web-based messaging and collaborating applications that Google hosts on their own servers. Google provides this application as a service rather than a software to produce and install. There are number of examples like Gmail, Google Hangouts, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Form, Google Slides, Google Sites, Google Contacts and Groups are some of the example of Google Apps. Now we'll see awesome table apps. It builds web apps from spreadsheets. Also, it transfers any data into beautiful, dynamic and functional apps. There are number of features of awesome table web apps. First, awesome table is perfectly integrated into Google and Office 365 environment. The only requirement for this awesome table is to have a Google account. Second, it is easily sort out data with our interactive filter like date filter, category filter, string filter, etc. Third, the simplicity and power of keywords. It has not required any coding. Fourth, embedded your app on any website. Awesome table app can be embedded on any website like the classic or new Google site, Joomla, Weebly and many. But just copy embedded code and paste it in your web page and then publish your page. Introduction about digital library. Friends, we know that in market there are number of commercial and open source software available for creating digital library. For example, DSpace is one of the best digital library software, but it has its own advantage and disadvantage. It is somewhat difficult and technical to install for the librarians and needs some software knowledge, coding and technical knowledge of installation. Here we are developing digital library or e-content repository, where e-content means PPT, DOC files, links of various videos, PDF files, photographs, images, etc., which can be stored and searched and retrieved as and when needed. Friends, now we'll see the advantage of e-content repository or digital library which we are going to create. First, it is free of cost. Second, easy to use. No technical knowledge or software coding, software installation is needed. Third, digital library e-content repository is available on intranet in your campus as well as internet based. Fourth, we can customize our opaque search with the help of this e-content repository. Fifth, database of e-content updated automatically. Sixth, it is available 24/7. Prerequisites for the project, that is creating our digital library or e-content repository. We must have following things. First, Google form. We have to create Google form for teachers to submit e-content repository. Second, we have to create our account in Awesome Table. This is a free add-on tools, helps to connect Google Sheets and it automatically update as and when input data uploaded. Third, Google web page or site. We have to create one web page or site with the help of free tools like Google website so that our e-content repository stay there. Now we'll see the steps to create e-content repository or digital library in your institutions. There are total 7 steps. First, we must have Gmail account. Then log into your Gmail account, go to Google Drive, create Google form for teachers to submit e-content. Second steps, Google response sheets. When teacher upload e-content with the help of Google form, it automatically comes to Google Sheets. Or if you have any fast records of e-content submitted by teachers in Excel file, then you can copy and paste to the Google Sheet directly. Then third step, customize search. To make customized search, open Google Sheet, then type command string filter below to the same column of keyword which you want to make searchable. Also type hidden category filter command to hide other unwanted search option. Fourth step, now go to www.awesometable-com site and create your account with the help of Gmail login. Then select Google Sheet of your e-content. Then make changes if any and click on Publish button. Then click on iframe and copy iframe code. Fifth step, now go to Google Drive, make new web page for your e-content repository, or you can use your existing library web page for e-content repository. Then click on embedded of that web page and paste there embedded code copied from awesome table. Sixth step, now you will see e-content repository table with some searching tab on your web page. Now publish the web page, see preview and try to search required e-content material by different keywords you have given. Seventh step, your e-content repository is live. Save the web link and share with your user or students. Please note, you can make QR code of that web link and paste on the wall or notice board so that student can access it easily. Friends, now we'll see an actual demonstration of how to create e-content repository or digital library. First of all, we have to log in to our Gmail account. Then go to the 9 dots, then click on Drive, then click on New, More, Google Form. Now Untitled Google Form is open. Here we have to make one Google Form for teacher to submit e-content. But I have prepared already e-content repository submission form. So you see, this is the form. You can make this type of form for your e-content repository. Now we fill one e-content material given by one author. We write there the name of the author, then title of e-content, we type title as a public library automation, then we write subject of e-content, for which this e-content is useful, that is for subject library automation, and for which class it is important, it is useful for mlib. Then we can upload actual material, e-content material here, upload any file, PDF, PPT. We taking one PPT, just click open and then say upload. File is uploading. Then we have written there a copyright statement for the author. Just tick it, I agree, and submit the document. You see, your response has been recorded. Means your e-content is submitted. That e-content is available in our Google response sheet. You see the date and the name of teacher or author, then title, subject of e-content, all is there. Now see the two command. In yellow highlighter, string filter command is written below the name of the author, then title of the e-content, and upload the e-content. Because I want these three fields for searchable keyword, I have written this string filter command under this keyword. Okay. Now you have seen hidden category filter command. I have written under subject, then statement of copyrights, and the class, because I don't want to appear these fields in our table. So, and timeline, I have hidden that fields. Okay. Now we'll go to awesome table. So just type awesome table website, awesometable.com. It is written over there. Then log in into this awesome-table.com site with your Gmail. Just sign in with your Google account. Then you see plus sign for create a new app. Just click on this, then create new app, select the spreadsheet which we have e-content repository, and say select. You see the name of our response sheet is there and it is coming. You see the table fields is appearing there. You can format this. There are different options. Number of items you want to display, you can select it 10. Then you can publish this. Then select iframe. Then copy this code. This code is very important. Just copy that code and go to Google Drive for creating new Google site. You see new Google page is appearing. Now we give title for this web page, e-content repository. You can paste your logo here, can change header type. Number of features are there. Then you see you can add text and embedded code directly here. There is another option for pasting embedded in the right corner. We'll go there, embedded, select embedded code and paste the copied code. Okay, then click on next. You see our table. Just say insert, then adjust the size of this table. This is a very simple, just adjust the size. Google give number of features to create sites. We can see preview of our site. It's appear nice. You see the above searchable keywords. You can adjust the heading of our site to look nice. Also, we can change the background by selecting some image. We select this image. The image is appearing. Now we give the address to publish our e-content repository site. We just type e-content-repository. The address is available for us and say publish. Now you see your site has been published successfully. Okay. But this is a link which is editable. Okay. So when I copy and paste this link, you get editable web page. You can change whatever you want. There are searchable. You can give the name of site by typing SP Jain College. It is heading. Okay. Now you can publish. You see the draft homepage and currently published homepage. Click on publish and click on view. Now you see the actual or published website. These are the string filter. We have given 3 keywords string filter, that is for author, then title and upload e-content. You can search with the help of this. You see the atom is search. You can download, print the e-content. Same way you can type different name of author for searching. I have written Mate, the document is appearing. Just clicking upload link, document is appearing perfectly. The document appeared, we can download and print. In this way, you see this is a searchable e-content repository. Now we can copy the web link and just trying to paste in a Google whether it is working or not. It's working perfectly. Friends, now we'll see some of the limitations of our projects. Since we are creating our e-content repository with the help of free tools, it has its own limitation, such as less standardization are maintained, then limitations of database storage, because the awesome table tool we are use is a free version. By purchasing, we can have unlimited database. Third, it has less data security. These are the some of the limitations. At the last conclusion, by comparing advantage and limitations, no doubt this is an innovative technique to develop small digital library or e-content repository for small college or institutions. With the help of this technique and tools, one can develop different best practices of library without investing money, manpower and time. Also, what can be done with the help of this? First, newspaper clipping digital library. Second, photos digital library. Audio video clip and program video digital library. Third, OPAC for small library. Fourth, e-content repository of PPT, documents, links and PDF. Thank you. Once again, I would like to say thanks to organizer team for giving me opportunity to discuss my views on this topic. Thank you.